Hey guys, welcome back to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today for Recipes Testober, I'm going to be doing a ham, apple, and Swiss cheese panini. I got this from Pinterest from the website bowlofdelicious.com, so if you want to see how this panini turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. Got going first on my sauce, which was Dijon mustard and mayonnaise, just half and half each. I just kind of eyeballed 2 tablespoons and then mixed that together. And then for my sandwich, I got a Granny Smith apple and cut that into some thin slices. I left the skin on because there's where all the nutrients are. And I set those aside and got going on my ham. This was just a fresh, uncured ham that I got from a butcher and baked earlier that was leftovers. And then I got my regular bread, my sauce, and put it on my bread. And then my ham, apples, and then Swiss cheese. Put my lid on and tried to butter the other side, but my house is a little cold, so it wasn't quite room temperature, so I microwaved it and got it there. Put it on my panini press and buttered the other side and cooked it for about 5 minutes until it was golden brown. So this is the panini. It looks gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. What? Do you want to bite too? That's really nice. It's just like a perfect combination. The apple and the Swiss is really good. I've never had apple with cheese before, so that was surprising that I really liked that. Ham and Swiss and Dijon is a classic combo, but with a nice tart apple cutting out the sweetness of the ham and the cheesiness. This is a really, really good fall lunch. I'd give this a 10 out of 10. This is quick, easy. It's gonna be really filling, which is awesome. And it's a winner in our book. Do you like it? Okay, good, high five. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today during this episode of Recipes Testober. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You say bye-bye? Bye. Bye.